So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Hacktify Diaries where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and also help related to certifications no matter you are preparing for the CEH, EGPT, and any other certifications. So, in this video guys, the basically our main topic is which we are going to cover that if you have purchased a voucher for the CEH, now you are confused how to do the practice, from where you will get the study materials, what study materials need to be required to clear the CEH certification. So in this video we are going to discuss about that only. And another topic or another thing which I am going to cover, that CH is worth it or not for your first cyber security entry level certification, and what are the other certification which is more better than the CH which can go for it. But still at the end we will discuss like why CEH is important and what is the value, or is it worth it or not. So without wasting time guys, we'll start this video. So let me tell you, before moving to ahead, this is my channel Hacktify Diaries where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and also how to become safe from cyber attacks, how to make yourself safe from these attacks. Then also you will learn there are many videos I have uploaded related to CH, EGPT, and other hacking videos. So if you have time, you can just go through with these videos and you will get to learn literally so much good things. So now we'll talk about our topic. So as I said, those who have purchased the voucher, like mostly I will consider the students only. So those students who purchased the voucher for the CH version 13, now because the version 30 is right now going on, so now their main concern is like from where they will get the study materials, what are the study material need to be done to required to clear the exams in their first attempt. So guys, many of them what they do after purchasing the voucher, rather than either they go for the big institute, they pay more like 15,000, 20,000 more and more to clear their certifications, okay, to get more and more. They, because they are not confident, they think that only purchasing the voucher is not enough. So what they do, either they go on the Udemy, they look for the CH version 13 materials, study materials and all that, and they invest more and more, okay. After then also chances are not that much that you will clear the exam, because as if you can see, CH version 35 updated certifications practice exam, all here you will going to get a 125 question, 124 question, 270, 67. All these are the chat GPT or say the AI generated questions are there, which will be scenario based questions, okay, not the exactly you will see like whatever you will get inside the CH itself, whatever the CH providing you itself, that thing you will not going to find out here. So I will suggest you, very important thing, that don't waste your money right now here, okay. Don't pay amount here. Just what you have to do, if you have purchased the voucher, if you already purchased the voucher, and if you have a doubt like from where you have to do the study, so listen to me guys, you don't need to go anywhere. Just log into your iClass if you have purchased the master voucher. If you don't purchase the master vouchers, you can connect with me and I will provide you the training where you can do the study, where you will get the study materials, you will get the lab access to the to do the practice also, and you can do the practice, you can learn the things, you will get the questions like study materials questions which is provided by the AC Council itself only, that will help you to understand the concepts, that will help you to understand the scenario things, and that will also help you to actually clear your certification in your first attempt. Hopefully if you have done the practice very well, if you've done the things very well, okay. Now let me talk about, is it worth it or not to take the CH, because in the market there are more other certification which is more highly knowledgeable certifications are available, like EGPT, ECCPT, PGPT. All the certifications are much more cover knowledge rather than CH. But still, let me tell you why CH more important, because first of all, whenever you will see any job description, HR will ask you that you have the CEH certified ethical hacking certification or not. Most of the companies ask CEH. Okay, so first reason is this, that you should do the CEH if you are looking for a job in India or outside the India also. Okay, so this is very first important, because CEH is already recognized by globally. So this is the first reason. Now once you're done with the CH, then rather than going for the OSCP, you guys can go for the CPENT, or either you can go for the EGPT, which will provide you the same knowledge which you will learn in the OSCP, because spending 1.5 lakh in the OSCP is not worth it, okay. That will just a waste of money. So I will suggest you, this is my own personal experience, as I already done my CH masters, okay. I've done my CPENT, I have done my other certifications, and from my personal experience, I will suggest you don't go for the OSCP, because OSCP will give you knowledge, but the amount they charge is it not worth it that much. Okay, I'm not targeting to any organizations or like all that thing, but I'm just saying you the amount they ask for their certification is actually not worth it. Okay, same knowledge you will get in a very less price. From TCM you can go for the TCM, then you can go for the CRTA, CRTP, all the certification. Now third, which is very important point guys, people do their certification but they don't know after doing the certification in which field they have to go. They think that a cyber security only means a big screen will come, a rainbow colored command will come and hacking will start. It's not like that. When you will enter in the MNC world or the multinational companies, when you will go for the job interviews, at there you will see there are multiple opening will be there for the cyber security. There will be SOC, security operation, there will be NOC, there will be the penetrations, VAPT analyst, vulnerability assessment, penetration tester, then there will be a web application tester, there will be a network penetration. So it's upon you on which field you have to go. All certifications are built on the same things. If you'll go for the CH, you will learn about the VAPT. If you'll go for the ECCPT, you will learn the same thing. You will learn the penetration testing. If you'll go for the AWPT, you will learn the web application penetration. If you'll go for the PNPT certifications like the CPTS, PNPT, or like yeah, this certification will help you to understand the knowledge of networking. Okay, so these are all are the things which you have to do. And again, I'm telling you, just don't waste your money on all this thing. If you really want the knowledge, you can grab the knowledge for free. There are multiple websites are available on the internet which can help you to gather the knowledge for free. Okay, now let's the last topic or the last important point which I have to cover. If you really want to clear your exam, if you really want to make your first certificate CES certified ethical hacker from EC Council, you can connect with me over the Telegram. If you want any help, if you want any study materials, if you want to join with me, you can join with me. As of now, till now I help many students to clear their certification with the help of study materials, with the help of by providing them training. Okay, now if you are interested, you can connect with me, as I have already uploaded so many videos, as I have done my CH how to clear the CH version 13 first attempts, or like all these things. So clearing the certification in first attempt means like you will understand the things. Until unless you will not understand the concept, you will not able to understand the rest of the things. So that's all I wanted to say. So really, if you're looking for the CH, then you can go for the CH. Now there is two options, either you go for the CH theory or go for the master or go for the practical. But I will suggest you, if you want to gain complete knowledge about SQL injection attacks, web application, network, server, system, all this, if you want to learn Android hacking, iOS, penetration testing, malware analysis, then I will suggest you go for the both, like master certification, which will help you to understand each and everything in deep. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. If you like this video, if you found this video as informational, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and we'll meet in another video in which I'm going to show you some practical things also. So that's it for today guys, we'll meet in the next video. As of now, that's it, bye.